by the mid of October, the situation will be normalized and we will be in position to have face-to-face classes. Since the time is short, we have to start the classes as soon as possible once the result is being processed by the National Council for the first year and the second year, so that the second year and third year classes can be started. So my thinking is this, that the at least we should go ahead for planning for 10 weeks of offline classes or online classes, whatever you call it. We should prepare for 10 weeks of the online classes and leave 4 weeks or 4 to 6 weeks for the face-to-face classes, because since we are our teaching is mainly of the hotel operational subject, so it cannot be complete and it is not expected to be complete without the practicals. So, and all theory subjects cannot be taught in online classes, because online classes not only just showing a presentation. I remember in one of the webinar I heard that the in Stanford University or some other foreign university in US, when 7 years back when they started this online classes of some program, they failed in the beginning, but slowly they developed some methodology. So we cannot expect, council or the institute management cannot expect that what the methodology teacher will adopt, it will have 100% success. It will be experience, and with the help of the experience they have to mold themselves, they have to upgrade themselves, because we have not given time, we have not given them proper training for online classes. Again I am repeating it, it is not only the presentation that is to be shown by the faculty. So we need to upgrade ourselves, we need to change our concept. So therefore, like in IHM Mumbai, we have requested to the faculty that they should identify 10 topics or 10 weeks online classes, and they should develop first 4 sessions, that means 4 weeks online classes. For that they should go for the subject topic which is they are going to take, develop that topic, include that what all will be covered in that topic, and always keep in the mind the constraint. The main one constraint is the internet connectivity. Sometimes it might not be very fast, so showing video all the time will not be possible. So we should have a mixture of the presentation, some lecture, some maybe some video if it is possible, so that the attention of the student can be there on the lecture, which, and in any case it should not be more than 45 minutes. So one lecture, what we are planning in IHM Mumbai, that one lecture is of 45 minutes, and we are hopefully to will be starting this by the mid of August, and we will have 4 lectures in a day. We can't have 7 online lecture in a day, otherwise we understand that the student will lose attention and it will not be of any use. So maximum 4 lecture in a day of 45 minutes of different subjects, so that the attention of the student can be attracted. Second thing, we have to understand that we what methodology we are going to take, like what subject content we are going to provide them. It should be easy for them to understand, and how we are going to impart that particular content of that particular topic is also important. All these things have to be uh, kept in mind, and but along with that we have to keep the involvement of the student in the involvement of the participant in the class. It should not be one-way communication, because one-way communication will not be effective. So therefore, there are so many IT tools which are available. We can use those IT tools, and we can use them in the class. At the same time, we can work out some other way, because every teacher should be free to work out. So as far as the National Council has asked proposal for the video presentation, I am of the opinion that the faculty should develop their own content, because if they will develop the content, they will deliver the content, they will have the responsibility. It should not be the one. It is my opinion. It should not be the one content developed by National Council or developed by some faculty in the National Council, and everyone is going to use that content. So what I request to the National Council, that these content should be whatever video lecture, whatever is available, let the faculty see that, and whatever is the extraordinary thing which they have not included in their content, they should develop their own content, develop their own delivery method, because then they will be responsible for the content they are giving them. And that will be the creativity. Otherwise, if all those who were in the this field, education field, hospitality education field in 90s must be doing it. We had associated with the we had associated ILO with this, and ILO has given some student notes, some instructor notes, and what had happened to that thing only those people who are, those faculty member who were there at first knowing it. So there should be freedom, like in US and other universities, faculty have the freedom to decide the content and decide the topics, content of the topic, what is going to be taught in that particular topic, and what will be delivery. Once they will be responsible for that, then only they will be accountable. So every faculty should develop their own content, and council should develop the have the content which can be shared with the everyone. But I am of the opinion that the content of the council or the video of the council should not be necessarily to be shown by the faculty or to the student. Let the faculty come out with their own way. They may more imaginative, they may be able to come out with their own vision. So that restriction should not be there, and the hybrid model will be the best model for this, because we have to choose the topic which can be taught on online. So we have to, we have requested faculty in IHM Mumbai that you should select 10 topics which are to be covered in 10 different 10 weeks, and then work on 4 topics. Let the 6, 7 topics remain which are needed face to face, or in any of the topic you feel that some content are needed to be a face to face, then it can be covered when the students are there. It's unprecedented situation, and everyone need to work up on that and to develop the methodology, develop the system like that, that the students are able to understand it. And again I am saying that it will not be an easy task.